So tonight I'll be making a dinner triangle out of this rebar. Sounds pretty easy, but I'm sure I'll mess it up somehow. This rebar is 4 feet long. I came in 6 inches because I want a little bit extra for doing some decorative work. So I came in about 6 inches, and then from here to here is 1 foot, and from here to here is 1 foot, and so on, and another 6 inches left over on the end. I ground these marks into the rebar because once I heat it up, if I put some kind of marker on there, it's not going to show up. I also made this jig, a bending jig, and I marked out 60 degrees because that's the angle of a triangle. First thing I want to do is heat up the ends and taper them, and we'll see what happens. With my forge, it's tough working with rebar to get it to sit properly, so I got this little thing set up.